Hi, this is Jacob House with Western Window Systems here at Junction Station in Mountain View Window and Door in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today I'm going to be showing you our 600 series multi-slide window. Some of you guys might be familiar with our multi-slide door. This is a condensed setting of that same application with the extreme functionalities of multi-slide panels, stacking panels, directional panels that can flow either left or right. We've got a XXO operation here that we're going to unlock and show you how this operation works.
And behind the camera is Devin Tilley, the owner here, that's going to be helping kind of talk through. You're standing on the inside of a window.
We are. So this is the interior of a window application leading to the exterior. Our sill here is similar to our multi-slide door, but we've actually got a water barrier backing with weep holes on the outside. This application would also accept a screen, so if you want to open this for ventilation, if you are in an elevated area that you want to prevent anything from falling out, you can put a screen on this, but we're trying to maximize the view as much as possible, keeping this completely open with as much glass, so no screen on this application here. But similar to our multi-slide door, we've got a couple panels stacking on top of each other to create a really nice indoor-outdoor setting.
And so since we're technically on the inside, Jacob, it would be reverse order if you're viewing it from in here, right?
Correct. Yep, it would be the reverse order.
So we have awesome experts at Junction Station, Mountain View Window and Door with Jacob here to answer your questions on the Western Window Multi-Glide, right?
Correct, yeah.
Awesome.
600 series multi-glide window.